Hello everyone, I am Subhomoy Chattopadhyay from Sirampur, Hooghly in West Bengal. So currently I have completed BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Modern Institute of Engineering and Technology under McLeod University in the year 2023. So after that, as I was searching for the job, I got to know about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd, which is basically an IT recruitment and consulting company. On this platform, I got to know about many things related to the IT field like networking, system administration or Windows administration, Windows Server, ITIL, cybersecurity, and many things related to the IT field. So after that, today I am selected in DTDC as an executive IT engineer in Kolkata for 2.6 LPA. So I am really grateful to Evision, the trainers and the management for providing the non-stop support on this journey of mine for getting me this job. Thank you so much.